Transforming your music from one musical mode to another one is not only an interesting experiment, but it's also a way of creating more music without actually writing anything new. The results surprise me every time, and not always in a good way, but you can't lose anything by trying. So today I'm going to do exactly this. I'm going to change this original piece of music that was in D Dorian into D Mixolydian and even D Locrian. For this, I'll be using my handy modal transformations cheat sheet that you can download from the description. Here you can see exactly what you need to change when you want to transform your music into a different musical mode. My original piece of music is in D Dorian, and here on my cheat sheet you can see what tones you need to make a Dorian scale. And from this scale we can also create the chords that we can use in the D Dorian mode. This is what the original piece of music sounds like. So how can I transform the music that you just heard into the Mixolydian mode or even the Locrian mode? In this modal transformations overview, you can see exactly which notes you need to change to turn it into a different mode. To transform my music into the D Mixolydian mode, I only have to raise the third scale degree with half a step. So F becomes F sharp. Any F melody notes become F sharp. And also in my previous chords, I'm going to change the F to F sharp. And we're good to go. This is what it sounds like. As a last step, I want to transform my original piece of music into D Locrian. And as you can see from this overview, we need to change quite a lot of tones for this. I need to lower the second, fifth and sixth scale degree with half a step. And our new scale and chords become this. Let's see what it will sound like now. You can really hear the different character that each mode has. They're like these parallel worlds that you can choose from. If this was interesting but it went a little bit too fast, then check out my course Modal Playbook. No matter if you're a beginner or an intermediate, this course will help you master the musical modes in your playing and music writing. Stay inspired, stay creative, and for now, see you next time.